Hi, today I want to show you an electric car for children by HEIMILI. Make sure all parts are present and check the instruction manual. Turn the car body upside down. Prepare a screwdriver and let's start assembling. Install the vehicle front axle kit. Remove the 4 screws from the front axle area. Then insert the front axle kit into front frame and the steering column into the designed hole on the front axle, using one washer and one iron wire pin to secure the steering column and front axle kit. Raise the rear axle of the ATV car. Snap the support rod of the shock absorbance system into the corresponding slot. Insert the rear axle of the car. Slide a wheel onto the rear axle and secure it by replacing a washer and iron wire pin. Snap on wheel hub, repeat on the other side. Do the same with the front wheels. Now let's install the steering wheel. Remove the nut and bolt from the steering wheel, slide on the steering mount and then replace the nut and bolt to secure it. Within the seat, insert the connector from the battery into the designed terminal on the secured board. Remove one screw in the seat area. Insert the end of the seat in the slot first, then resecure the front of the seat with the screw. Finally, insert the seat backrest and insert the slot to secure it. Now your child can drive and enjoy the ride.